Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Sellfy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up a time-limited promotion in Sellfy? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up a time-limited promotion in Sellfy anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that from time to time, you're going to run promotions that could be for holidays or special bonuses. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up a limited time promotion, here on the left side, you're going to click on this button here called discounts. Once you click on discounts, you're going to click on coupons and discounts. Once you do that, you're going to click on this blue button, add new discount. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two options. So these are a little bit different. Basically, the coupon means that they're not going to get the limited time discount unless they have the coupon code. If you do a sale, that means that anybody who lands on that sales page for that product, they're going to get the discount. So for me personally, I like to use the coupon code. That way I can share it with who I want. So I'm going to click on coupon. Okay, whether you click on sale or coupon, this page is going to pop up. It's going to be quite similar. The only difference is that you're not going to have this coupon code section right here if you click on sell. So first you're going to go ahead and name the limited time discount. So let's say this is a Halloween discount. So this is just for your record. So make sure that you list here why you're giving out this limited time discount, so that way you can reference back later. And then I'm always going to go ahead and add a coupon code. So let's go ahead and do coupon code Halloween. Okay, next you want to choose, are they getting a percentage off or are they getting a dollar amount off? I personally like to do a dollar amount. So once you click on amount, you can go ahead and choose the discount. So let's do, $2 off. And down here, it's going to let you know what the discount is, whether it's a percentage and how much it's off. And then if it's a limited time discount, you're going to want to set this up right here. When can a customer redeem this discount? So by default, it's infinite. So the limited time discount is going to continue forever. So it's not really limited. So what I would normally do is I would uncheck this box and then I'll put a time date on it. So let's say that it's good for 2 weeks. We'll put that on the 18th. I guess you could have it as no expiration, and then you can set a limit right here as far as how many people can get this discount. So let's go ahead and make this no expiration. And then we're going to go ahead and uncheck this and say that it's a limited time discount for the first 1,000 people. So they're not going to get a discount if they come in after them. So next we need to choose which one of our products are going to receive this limited time discount. So click right here. It's going to open up all your products, and you can choose one product or you can choose multiple products. Once you've chosen, you want to go ahead and scroll to the top and then click on create discount. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we have added our limited time discount right here. So they're going to get $2 off of the 2 products that we added in if they choose, and they need to use the coupon code Halloween, and there's no expiration date. However, there are a limited of 1,000 uses of this discount. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a limited time offer into your product in Sellfy, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.